1. The moon has a dark side that's not actually dark, it's just the side that always faces away from Earth, and it's only recently that we've had the chance to see it up close, thanks to spacecraft like the Apollo missions and more recent lunar orbiters. This side of the moon is actually similar to the near side, with its own set of mountains, craters, and lava flows. The far side is about 2% larger than the near side, which is pretty wild when you think about it. 2. The moon is moving away from us at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year, which might not seem like a lot, but over millions of years it adds up. In fact, when the moon first formed, it's believed to have been about 14,000 miles away from Earth, which is incredibly close compared to its current distance of about 239,000 miles. This slow drift has had a major impact on the Earth's tides and the stability of our planet's axis. 3. The moon has no atmosphere, which means there's no wind, no weather, and no sound on its surface. This is because the moon is too small to retain an atmosphere, and any gases that might have been present were stripped away by the solar wind. As a result, if you were standing on the moon's surface, it would be completely silent, except for the sound of your own spacesuit and any equipment you might be using. The moon is not round in shape, but is actually an ellipsoid, meaning it's slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. This is because the moon is tidally locked to Earth, meaning it always shows us the same face, and the gravity of our planet has caused it to become slightly distorted over time. This unique shape has a big impact on the moon's gravitational field and the way it orbits our planet. 5. The moon is covered in lunar swirls, which are strange, swirling patterns of light and dark material that can be found in many of the moon's craters and plains. These swirls are thought to be caused by the interaction between the solar wind and the moon's magnetic field, and they can be found in a range of different shapes and sizes. Despite their mysterious appearance, lunar swirls are actually a pretty common feature of the moon's surface, and scientists are still working to understand their exact cause and significance.